Welcome back to Him and I. Oh, crap. Hold on. Today we are going to be showing you how I make these cool, awesome pallet, reclaimed wood, whatever you want to call it, feathers. These are a great seller. We've made a whole bunch of them, a bunch of different kinds. And today I'm going to show you how to make them. Here's the pallet. We're going to go ahead and just break it down. There's about a million different ways you can break a pallet down, so I'm not going to bore you with my details. So my method, I just chop off all that stuff there, and then what I'm left with is a good stack of about, 1 foot or 1.5 foot pieces here. So for what we're making here, it's going to be perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these things over here to the chop saw or the miter saw, and I'm going to cut them at a 45-degree angle. Alright, so now we're just going to put these through the planer first. I had initially said we're going to cut the 45-degree angles out, but that was a misspeaking there. We got to plane them down first, give them a little bit better, smoother texture, make it nice and easy. So what we'll do is we'll get the planer going and run them through. So now we're going to take the planed wood, come over here, put it at a 45. Alright, so now we got the 45s cut. Now what we got to do, I already have a strip I found about 1/4 inch or so. You can use any type of scrap you got. What you can do is maybe even take this, I just cut that off, you can trim that down on the saw. It doesn't matter what you're using here, this is just a free range. So now what we're going to do, we're going to set up and get ready to start stapling these things together. So we just want to mix match, smooth side, not smooth side, oak, and different stuff we got here. So we'll just go ahead and start doing that. So this is, we want to make sure that this is the top. Got some 1-inch brads. Put it in here. Start moving these things good. Want to mix and match. So now, what we're going to do is just going to draw a nice feather like design on it. To Home Depot and found some markdown prices. We're paying 50 cents for this color here, and we got the feathers here, and we're just going to add a little bit of accent colors to them, so stay tuned. It's got like a little purple tinge to it. Cool. After my beautiful wife stained them all different colors and painted them. So what we're gonna do here, I got the spray gun. We're gonna hit them with the some polyurethane to give them a little bit of a shine. So we'll see how it turns out. All right, so we got them all polyed up and shiny. Got all different types of colors. Small ones, big ones, multicolored ones. Pretty excited. Hey everybody, I just want to thank you everybody for watching this video, and I hope you guys got something out of it and found a way to maybe incorporate some of this ideas into stuff you're making. So if you would, please hit that likes button, comment down below what the favorite feather you like is, and also if you guys have any cool ideas what I could make next. Also hit that red button down there, turn it gray, that's the subscribe button. So thanks guys. I see everybody doing that. I'm not.